Hello, YouTube viewers. Alright, well, hold on. Okay, you're about to listen to my ringtones. I have 3. Yes, I do. They are White Horse. Just kidding. Shh. You're gonna have to guess what these songs are. Sorry. Okay. Cut that there. Cut this up. I don't know where the speaker is. Take over there. Whoa, that's fun. There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to live. Ain't no doubt how fast I get there. There's always gonna be. Alright. Any questions? Ah! Sorry. Alright. I need questions. This is a hairbrush. I need to brush my hair. It's really bugging me. Alright. Well, this is gonna be. Ow. Ooh, ooh, ah. Cut up the radio. See what's on the radio. Hello? Hello? Yeah. It just said you have to pay it by... hold on. Hold on. 142. I don't know. No, we can't go over. Me and Cody never call anyone. Well, Cody might. $120. Oh. $401. Is that tomorrow? Well, tomorrow. $2. No, 142. No, 142.34. Alright, love you, bye. Alright, that was my mom on the phone. Yeah. Well, okay, well, I'll let y'all go. Answer questions, please. The golden retriever is coming back. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Answer questions. Alright.